Hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I know I was just live, okay, and I did this. But I wanted to make sure that people understood, yes, I'm selling these napkins. They are going bye-bye, okay? So rather than put them in a regular sale, I kind of wanted to pre-sale them to you guys. They're going to be 25 cents a piece, but for the pre-sale, they're 5 for $1. So if you get multiples of 5, any multiples of 5 different ones, I don't care, any multiple of 5, you get it for $1. Otherwise, they'll be 25 cents a piece. So, without further ado, let's take a look at these. This is A. Okay. This one is B. The next one, of course, is C. Cactuses. I love cactuses. I hardly ever see cactus napkins, but here it is, cactus napkin. Can you guess the next one? It's D. That's right, letter D. Look at these cute little cherubs, sweet little faces, little tushies. That's D. This one is E. Little birds in the dogwood tree. There we go. That's E. F is fish. F for fishes. Fishes. And this guy in the middle. Fishy. G. Shells. Because, you know, what would a cocktail napkin be, a dinner napkin be, without some kind of shells on it? So we have this one. It is the same print 4 times. So you get 4 times the stuff. H. H is this one right here. Look at these beautiful birdies. Beautiful tree branches and things on this one. Nice color, too. This is off-white. I. Love this. Look at that gorgeous yellow in the background. Little butterflies here and one here. Beautiful birds. So you basically have a double print. There's one here and one here. J. Beautiful. Okay, now that's the end of the new ones. This is K, and K is just a standard poinsettia cocktail size napkin. L is this poinsettia Christmas tree in a dinner size. And then, now these ones are pretty common, okay? Now I'm going to show you M, N, and O. I lied. M, N, O, and P. So we're going to call this one M. That one's pretty common. N. So M is this one, N is this one. O and P. And P really can't be appreciated unless you open it up. So I'm going to open this one real quick and just show it to you. So that's the P, okay? So that's it, guys. So this is really easy. Again, they are literally 25 cents a piece or 5 for $1. You can get them by emailing me the amount of them that you want. So say you want 4 A's and 5 C's. Whatever letter you want, just tell me the letter you want, the quantity of that napkin that you want. All multiples of 5 will go to $1, 25 cents each. Email me at bmascraftycorner@gmail.com or check me out on Facebook. That's Elsbeth Talent on Facebook. I will put the links to both in the video description below. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being in my live today, and I look forward to seeing you again the next time. Till then, bye-bye.